Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
One fine evening, split black gram lentil or duli urad dal, split chickpea lentil or chana dal, split petite yellow lentil or dule moong dal, split red lentil or dule masoor dal, and split pigeon pea lentil or arar dal. Too little, yet too much. So what are we making with them today? It is iron, fibre, folate, potassium, vitamin B1, rich, good for heart, blood pressure and cholesterol, and my very own recipe of Dal Mastani. But before the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break our misleading assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Combine all the lentils or dal in a single bowl. And when done, soak the lentil in water from any natural source. Lentils contain purines which cause bone and joint issues. Remember, the scum that rises contains purines, so this water has to be discarded. Lentils, when soaked in water, release purines as scum. Wash and rinse very well and set aside. The purines contaminated water must be discarded and never used. And now to boil the lentils. Pressure cooker and add water. Now add the lentils. And if you notice, water is a little less. So add more water from any natural source. And no, water is still less. So let's add some more water. Now the total water added. Keep an eye on that. Yes, now the water is enough. Now add sea or any natural salt, turmeric powder, groundnut or peanut oil, and cap shut the cooker. Boil for 12 to 15 minutes. Switch off the heat or the flames. Set aside to lose its heat and cool down a shade. In the meantime, garlic, green chilies, ginger, and add to a pestle mortar or a blender and blend into a coarse, grainy paste. That is what it must look like. And set it aside. And now for the tricky part. This is temper number 1. Red chilies, cumin seeds, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon and bay leaf. And turmeric powder, asafoetida, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder and red chilies. A kadai, wok or a skillet. Groundnut or peanut oil. Add the sun-dried red chilies, cumin seeds, cloves and black peppercorns, asafoetida, cinnamon, bay leaf, turmeric powder, and stir well. Now onion medium size chopped 1. Add and stir well to mix well. And garlic, green chili and ginger paste. And mix well. And allow to cook and stir intermittently. But do not burn the onions. Stir intermittently. And when the color of onions begins to change, it's time to add the tomato 1. And stir well to mix well. Now is getting a little dry and will stick to the bottom. Therefore, add water from any natural source and stir well. Stir well. Garam masala of your choice, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and stir well. Stir well, stir well. Do not allow the masala to stick to the bottom and burn out. Now salt and mix well and allow to cook. But remember, do not allow the veg masala to stick to the bottom and burn out. Now uncap the cooker as our steam has escaped. Temperature has dropped considerably and lentils are well cooked. Now add the boiled lentils and stir well to mix well. There. Now that looks good, isn't it? But wait, a lemon from my backyard and cut the lemon add the juice of 1 lemon and when done, mix well. Now add parsley or cilantro or both and mix well. Our lentil is almost done. Switch off the heat or the flames, but remember, we have to add the mastani. So set aside the cooked lentils or the dal and let's get ready for mastani, which is tadka number 2, sun-dried chilies, cumin powder and red chili powder. A fry pan and groundnut or peanut oil, sun-dried red chilies, cumin powder, the second onion chopped of course, and stir well. And as usual, do not allow it to get burnt. As soon as it changes color or becomes transparent or translucent or opaque, that is the time when the second tomato has to be added, chopped of course, When added, stir well, and again, do not allow the vegetables to stick to the bottom and get burnt. Now, red chili powder and stir well. There, looking beautiful, isn't it? Now, we are not going to let it get burnt. Be careful about that. Now, Mastani or tadka or temper done. Switch off the heat or the flame and remove the temper or the tadka. There, beautiful. Now, pour the Mastani or temper or tadka over the dal and parsley or cilantro chopped and sprinkle over the Dal Mastani. So, the Mastani has been added to the dal. Now, Dal Mastani tastes best with rice dish of any type. And serve and enjoy Dal Mastani with all your known and your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.